We design and build houses for people, and ultimately what it boils down to is helping families spend more time together. Well, it starts with a narrative, a story, and usually it's a story of a family and what their purpose is. And from that purpose we derive meaning. How do they want people to feel when they leave those spaces, when they pull out of the driveway and head home? What memories are they left with? And once you establish the narrative and the meaning, patterns of use start to emerge, the practical aspects of living, interactions between indoor and outdoor spaces, from docks to pools to rooftop terraces to open concept living. We live in a coastal environment here. We live in an area where the sea is important in every way. And when you build on a waterfront piece of property, you have to think like you would if you were building a boat. Things like weather, storms, salt air, all play a part into how we design. We believe in thinking differently. How do we challenge the status quo? By building homes that are beautifully designed, thoughtfully constructed, and simple to live in. And in the end, if the blend of those three things is perfect, the home will be worthy of preservation and will be a legacy for your family.